Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to learn 100 powerful English words that will help you sound smarter, more confident, and more fluent in everyday conversations, interviews, business meetings, and public speaking. Abundant, more than enough, plentiful. Accomplish, to achieve something successfully. Accurate, correct and free from mistakes. Admire, to respect or appreciate someone or something. Ambitious, having a strong desire to succeed. Analyze, to examine something carefully. Appreciate, to recognize the value of something. Authentic, genuine, real, not fake. Brilliant, extremely intelligent or impressive. Capable, having the ability to do something. Charismatic, naturally attractive and inspiring. Collaborate, to work together with others. Compassion, sympathy and kindness for others. Confident, sure of yourself and your abilities. Creative, able to produce original ideas. Credible, believable and trustworthy. Curious, eager to learn or know more. Dedicated, committed to a purpose or task. Determine, to decide or discover something. Diligent, hardworking and careful. Dynamic, energetic, active, and changing. Efficient, working well without wasting time or effort. Elegant, graceful, stylish, and attractive. Empower, to give someone confidence or authority. Enhance, to improve or increase quality. Essential, absolutely necessary. Exceptional, much better than ordinary. Expand, to grow larger or wider. Expertise, special knowledge or skill. Fascinating, extremely interesting. Flexible, able to adapt or change easily. Fortunate, lucky or blessed. Generous, willing to give or share freely. Genuine, honest, sincere, and real. Grateful, feeling thankful. Harmony, peaceful agreement or balance. Humble, modest and not arrogant. Impactful, having a strong effect. Impressive, causing admiration or respect. Innovative, introducing new ideas or methods. Inspire, to motivate or encourage. Intelligent, smart and quick to learn. Knowledgeable, well informed about a subject. Legendary, very famous and admired. Logical, based on clear reasoning. Magnificent, extremely beautiful or impressive. Masterpiece, a work of outstanding quality. Meaningful, having importance or purpose. Memorable, easy to remember. Motivated, driven to achieve goals. Noble, honest, honorable, and generous. Objective, fair and unbiased. Optimistic, expecting positive outcomes. Outstanding, exceptionally good. Passionate, showing strong enthusiasm. Persevere, to continue despite difficulties. Persistent, continuing firmly despite challenges. Practical, useful and sensible. Precise, exact and accurate. Productive, producing good results. Prosper, to become successful or wealthy. Reliable, dependable and trustworthy. Remarkable, worth noticing or admiring. Resilient, able to recover quickly from difficulties. Resourceful, good at solving problems. Responsible, reliable and accountable. Sincere, honest and genuine. Sophisticated, refined, cultured, and advanced. Spectacular, extremely impressive or beautiful. Strategic, carefully planned to achieve a goal. Successful, achieving desired results. Supportive, providing encouragement or help. Talented, naturally skilled. Thoughtful, caring and considerate. Transform, to change completely. Trustworthy, deserving of trust. Unique, one of a kind. Valuable, worth a lot or very useful. Versatile, able to do many different things well. Vibrant, full of energy and life. Visionary, having creative ideas about the future. Wisdom, the ability to make good decisions. Wonderful, extremely